Welcome to this Windows and computer channel. And of course, we did post a video about the Patch Tuesday updates that arrived. Now we'll go into a little more detail for those that are interested in knowing what exactly does this fix and how many vulnerabilities and criticals and important ones is there in the Windows update. So if we look at the operating system distributions, the updates for this December 2019 Patch Tuesday, which is the last for the year, of course. 14 flaws were fixed in Windows 7. 1 is rated critical and 13 are rated important. And of course, it's going to be all eyes with next month, because next month Windows 7 will have its last security updates for regular users. Windows 8.1 has 11 security flaws, 1 rated critical, 10 are rated important. And finally, on Windows 10, if you're on 1803, that's the April 2018 update, 14 vulnerabilities, 2 are critical, 12 important. On October 2018 update, 15 vulnerabilities, 2 critical, 13 important. And both versions, 1903, 1909, that's the May 2019 update, and the November 2019 update, they share the same updates. So they, of course, have the same vulnerabilities. 14 flaws, 2 are critical, and 2 are important. So this is interesting to note that there isn't as many as sometimes there are months where it's really, really crazy. It's a little less this month. Still, there's 2 critical flaws in Windows 10, so it's important to update. Critical means that bad guys probably have some access or already know how to exploit this, so that's why it's rated critical, and that's why it's important to update. On the browser side, it would seem that Microsoft Edge and Edge Chromium don't seem to have any vulnerabilities this month. But in Internet Explorer 11, if you're still using that, there was 1 vulnerability, and it's one that is important, of course. For the rest, there's, of course, the .NET versions that have been updated also. So there's a little bit of things here that are fixing stuff in there. And that's pretty much what I have to say. But they're not securely related. Apparently, what we have in the .NET framework is not securely related. It's just an update. Of course, even though they don't necessarily talk about it, there's sometimes some security updates that have also bug fixes. It's interesting because we usually have a mid-month bug fixing update for Windows 10 coming up. We didn't have one in November, in December also. So basically what's happening is that we only have the Patch Tuesday from last time. And it seems that this Patch Tuesday has a lot of security updates, but there doesn't seem to be any bug fixing in it. So kind of interesting to see. So it's probably a smaller update than usual. So that's pretty much what we have to talk about on this Patch Tuesday. Please do update. It's important to do so, and hope that it goes well. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.